This is video of Yorkglen. I'm checking, you see the water accumulating on both sides. I went on the other street on Shelbourne Park Lane and it wasn't like this. So let me see, the house number here is, where does it start? That means this drainage thing right here is not working well. This is, 6047 Yorkglen Manor Lane. And you can see where both sides here kind of accumulate. And where the fire hydrant is, see that? Now where this whole area here that I'm going over is all flooded. All of it. So basically right here, where the water hydrant is in this open space, this area, there is about a foot of water in this area, and you can see there is a, oh, you can't see it, close my window. There is a, wow, you can see that, right? I know you can see, I can see it in the video, but the water just accumulates. It's traveling up and it basically starts to kind of get better around my house, which probably means it has to get a little worse. So just wanted you to see the water flow.